friends, welcome back once again to our tabla tutorial. Last time we discussed 3 uthans of Teen Taal. Today we are going to discuss 2 more uthans. These 2 uthans are almost twin uthans because they are very similar. 50% of the syllables in both the uthans are the same. So I will play the uthan first. You try to soak the bolts. I will very slowly recite the bolts. You try to absorb them first, and then we'll try to play in medium tempo. Okay. So first I will play the Theka. So in this uthan, we are going to study a new syllable, which is called chat. Chat dhena, chat dhena. See, chat is a syllable which is played by index finger. In the first part of the index finger, it is pressed firmly on the chati, and that sounds like chat. See, like this. So the uthan is ta theta, ta theta, ta theta, chat dhena, chat dhena. I will play once again slowly. Ta theta, ta theta, ta theta, chat dhena, chat dhena. Or you can play chat dhena, chat dhena. Okay? Once again. Ta theta, ta theta. So it was tatita tatita tatatita chagena chagena da 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 chagena chagena. See the sound. This sound is very specific, and you should be able to produce that sound because this syllable is different. It should sound differently. It is a suppressed sound. See this. Okay. Now the second uthan, as I told you, it's a twin uthan, almost similar. The only thing is here the weight of the baya comes into picture, and accordingly the first part of the uthan is designed. So it is dinaka dinaka dada gena chadena da. It is so beautiful. Dinaka dinaka dada gena chagena da. Or you can play like this. Dinaka dinaka nana gena chagena da. Slowly. Once again. Fast tempo. So these are the two uthans, almost similar but very beautiful, and this particular sound, see the movement of the baya here, and while playing this uthan, after you play uthan, you start the theka 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. You can play a small variation in the theka also. Now, this variation which I am giving you, it consists of few pauses. If you ask any student of tabla, just like me, the tabla, or for that matter any instrument, for that matter any music becomes very beautiful to hear if there are pauses in between, right? So this particular theka which I am discussing just now, it has few pauses, and these pauses make the theka so beautiful. See this. So where are the pauses? Da then da, ad then da, ad then da, ad then da. So wherever I am saying there is the pause. So da then da, ad then da, ad then da, ad then da. And when you play these particular pauses for 1 or 2 avartans while playing Trital, it has a beautiful, pleasant value. The audience feels that, अरे ये क्या बात है, ये क्या बजाया आपने? Okay, so let us see this once again. So 2 uthans and 1 variety in theka with pauses. This is what today we have tried to study. I hope you will practice this at home, and we'll meet with the next tutorial in which we will try to play more uthans, because this Teen Taal Theka can go on and on for several hours, for several days. You might be knowing many tabla players who just specialized in playing beautiful theka. So we'll go on studying more types of thekas and more types of uthans in the next tutorial, and silsila jari rahega. See you next time.